The MQ-28 Ghost Bat, the silent wingman reshaping air combat. Picture a battlefield where a single pilot commands not one aircraft, but a small pack of loyal machines flying alongside. That's the promise of the MQ-28 Ghost Bat, Boeing Australia's unmanned loyal wingman built to fly, sense, and fight in tandem with crewed fighters. Unlike traditional drones tethered to constant human micromanagement, the Ghost Bat uses artificial intelligence to make split-second decisions, scouting ahead, jamming enemy radar, or absorbing the first hit in a dogfight so a human pilot never has to. Its modular nose section means one airframe can carry different sensor packages depending on the mission, from reconnaissance to electronic warfare. What makes it a battlefield game-changer isn't raw firepower, it's expendability paired with intelligence. Commanders can send Ghost Bats into contested airspace where risking a manned jet would be reckless, gathering intel or drawing enemy fire without gambling a pilot's life. As air forces worldwide race toward loyal wingman concepts, the Ghost Bat stands out as one of the first operational examples proving that the future of aerial dominance may belong not to bigger planes, but to smarter, sacrificial ones flying in perfect sync with their human partners.